guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some super easy and delicious refried beans. In case you guys want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 pounds of pinto beans. Here I already have them cleaned and picked. You're going to need 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and of course your salt and pepper, some vegetable oil, and cheese. So these are ingredients, you guys. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be to put them into a pot. And like I mentioned, you guys, my pinto beans have been already cleaned and picked. So I'm just gonna put them in my pot. And here I have 9 cups of water. And now I'm just gonna add my onion, my garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, one of cumin, and your salt, just a little bit, and pepper. So now we're just gonna put it into our stove. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on my stove and I'm gonna put it on medium heat and just mix it. And we're just gonna let them cook for about 2.5 hours to 3. Alrighty guys, so it's been 30 minutes and this is what our beans are looking like. As you can see, our beans need some more water, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more water. Just like that. And just give it a little mix. And then probably in another 30 minutes, we're gonna do the same. Alrighty guys, so it's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes. My beans are done, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna turn off my stove. And now we can start getting ready to refry them. Alrighty guys, so there's so many different ways to refry your beans, from using vegetable oil to lard to you know, it depends on what flavor you're going for. You can always use chorizo to fresh jalapenos. It just depends. It's just endless options of, you know, what flavor you want to add to your beans. But today I'm just going to show you the most basic way. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And like I said, you can always use lard for a more flavorful beans. So my pot's been preheating for a while, so it's hot. So now I'm just gonna add my beans to my pot. And quick tip, you guys, do not dip your spoon. You know, once you dip it and once you transfer your beans from this pot to the other, do not go back to your pot, because you're gonna make your beans go back. So now we're gonna grab your smasher and just start smashing your beans. And just mash them, you guys, until you reach your desired texture. I'm going for like a really smashed bean, so that's what I'm doing here. So for me, this is perfect. Just gonna turn it off. And now the fun part, cheese. I like really cheesy beans, so I add a lot. And the cheese is gonna melt. And that is basically it for your refried beans. You can always just serve them like that, you know, as a side, or top them up with some tostadas. It depends on how you want to eat them. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I put in a tostada with some cotija cheese because this is Seriously, super delicious, and my kids love it. So, taste test. Seriously, they are delicious beans. I'm not a bean girl, but these beans are delicious. Alright, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious refried beans. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and as always, if you do, please don't forget to send me your pictures to Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And in the comments down below, let me know if you refry your beans, how is it that you do it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.